The next big question: how we will use ChatGPT and AI in every step. So, the biggest mistake people make when starting affiliate programs is doing it all manually. And let's get real for a second. Most people who try to build an affiliate program, they do it the hard way. They manually draft every email, write every affiliate agreement from scratch, try to figure out payout structures with Google Sheet, create social media posts and videos one by one in Canva late at night. It's exhausting, and worse, it slows you down. You get stuck in the weeds instead of building your engine. Here is what I have seen over and over again: great founders with great products stuck, coaches with life changing programs not scaling, SaaS builders overwhelmed before launch. Why? Because they try to build everything manually from scratch as if they were living in 2015. But we are not. This is 2025, and there is a better, faster, smarter way. You don't need a team, you need a system, and AI is your co founder. So, here is the good news: you don't need to be a copywriter, a designer, a funnel builder, or operations manager to build a successful affiliate system. Why? Because now you have ChatGPT and a suite of smart tools that lets you move like a team of 10, even if you are a solo founder. Imagine this: need affiliate terms and conditions? ChatGPT writes it in 30 seconds. Want a funnel? ChatGPT plus Go High Level plus AI generated copy is equal to done. Need a 30-day email sequence for onboarding affiliates? ChatGPT again. Creating reels, promo scripts, social captions, and even training guides? All done in minutes using GPT plus Canva plus Creatify. Now, this course doesn't just teach you what to do, it gives you the prompts, templates, and automation recipes so you can get it done faster, better, and smarter than anyone else in your industry. And that is the real power here. Here is exactly how we will use ChatGPT and AI in the Made Easy framework. Let's walk through how AI and ChatGPT will supercharge each part of your affiliate growth engine, starting with mindset and models. We'll use AI powered prompts like what affiliate model fits my business. Explain affiliate marketing to a SaaS founder in 3 bullets. Build a recurring revenue model that's attractive to partners. GPT helps you map strategy before you waste time building the wrong system. Architecture, AI powered outputs, affiliate program terms and conditions, role based SOPs, commission structures, and so on. Designing funnels and content, AI powered tools like ChatGPT to write funnel copy, ads, emails, and landing page content. Canva AI creates visual kits for Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Creatify plus Heygen generates spokesperson videos from your scripts. Now you will look like you have a full media team, but it's just you plus AI. Engage and equipping up affiliates. Well, ChatGPT to write onboarding emails, welcome guides, and leaderboard announcements. GPT again to create training content, PDFs, walkthroughs, email swipe files. To empower with tech tools, AI enhanced stack, GPT compares platforms, Zapier plus GPT auto generates reports and weekly updates. GPT builds Airtable bases and Notion pages to track affiliate performance. Automate and optimize. GPT plus Sheets, automated dashboards, commission trackers, monthly summaries. GPT generated insights, which affiliates are most active. ChatGPT for churn prediction and improvement strategies. Scale with paid and influencer reach. AI powered outreach, GPT cold DMs and email scripts, GPT generated collab briefs, GPT writes entire affiliate challenge funnels. Why? Your engine, GPT powered SOPs and playbooks. GPT writes your affiliate success manual, builds monthly growth reviews, rewrites all comms for seasonal promos. By the end, you will have a living, breathing engine powered by smart AI plus system design. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to build smart. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is not about effort, it's about efficiency. Let ChatGPT do 80% of the writing. Let Canva handle the design. Let Zapier or Go High Level run the workflows. Let affiliates promote for you. Your job is to build the system. Show up once and let the engine run. And with this course and the Made Easy framework, you are not just learning what to do. You're learning how to build it fast using tools that makes you unstoppable. So, take a deep breath. You are not behind, you are actually ahead because you are learning the right system, the right tools, and using AI the right way. Let's go build your affiliate empire. Made easy, made smart, and made for scale.